Distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to this very important occasion of today's meeting, the stakeholders meeting. There is no denying the fact that this is a trying times for the party. However, it is during difficult times that growth takes place. What is happening over the last 3 months is an opportunity for the party to take inventory of its affairs, reassess its standing, analyze its directions and focus in order to calibrate its priority and objectives. Equally, not only the SDP as a political party, I am sure all the political parties in this country, and indeed the Nigerian nation, and the entire political process is facing an unprecedented challenges in the country. However, I want to assure you that the entire members of our party and you as key stakeholders, that the leadership of the party is doing whatever necessary to stabilize the party and chart a positive course toward 2027 elections and beyond. Our vision is to provide Nigerians with credible platform as an alternative, with honesty and sincerity that will take it possible to face our national challenges and priority. Ours is a challenge that we are not shying away from it. Actually, the stakeholders are supposed to have been briefed, if not on daily basis, on and off, right from the time we assume the leadership of this party. But unfortunately, due to some circumstances, we are not able to do that, and we want to have achieved some milestone before we engage you so that you will be properly briefed on the situation the party found itself and the things we are doing to move the party forward. In view of this, I want to take full responsibility as the leader of the party for the gap in not inviting you as when due. I took full responsibility as the leader, and I say we are very sorry for this. You are not supposed to be hearing or reading on the pages of newspaper on the social media what is happening with the party as key stakeholders. But it was for a purpose that we deliberately allow it so that we will navigate through and before we now call on you so that we together discuss and chart a course for ourselves. Distinguished members of the press, I want to use this opportunity to equally thank you most sincerely for all the support and cooperation you have been giving us. So I say a big thank you, and we hope you will continue in this endeavor of giving us the maximum support so that together we can salvage or rescue our situations as Nigerians. Thank you. May God bless us all.